SCP-129 is classified Keter because it is already loose in the world. Containment is not a cell. It is treatment, eradication, and rapid isolation of severe outbreaks. Because infection is widespread, the Foundation focuses on treatment and eradication. Stage 3 outbreaks trigger highest-risk contagion quarantine immediately. SCP-129 is a series of at least a redacted number of fungal species. Any animal with mucosal membranes can become a host under the right exposure. The danger is progressive. Each stage makes the host less resistant to the next, so exposure, immunity, and further fungal contact decide how far the disease advances. Stage 1 begins almost invisibly. SCP-129-01 attacks mucosal membranes, multiplies quickly, and may leave only a faint yeast-like odor. SCP-129-02 follows with symptoms like the common cold. That immune distraction lets SCP-129-01 entrench, even though both early organisms usually leave within days. Stage 2 depends on a changed barrier. SCP-129-03 is usually stopped by natural mucus, but Stage 1 alters the mucus so the third organism can establish itself. Stage 2 can still look ordinary. Phlegm, cough, low fever, sweating, salivation, odd fruit juice taste, and a strange preference for vegetables. Stage 3 is rare, but it is the turning point. Without SCP-129-03, most animals resist the 3 species that cause it. With it, resistance can fail. Each Stage 3 species has its own signs: yellowing eyes and tears, thickened nails and more earwax, or bright yellow waste with a strong yeast smell. When all 3 Stage 3 species take hold, the victim can be bedridden for weeks. Apparent recovery follows, but SCP-129 has already spread through the body. Stage 4 is deceptive. Victims may look healthier and more energetic than before, while SCP-129 infiltrates immune, respiratory, circulatory, reproductive, and nervous systems. By Stage 4, SCP-129-01 through SCP-129-06 have spread through major systems of the host. The article redacts part of the full infiltration. The most dangerous sign is subtle. Mycelia permeate skin and replace some hair. Shed hyphae can infect another host with an extremely high probability. Stage 4 also brings resistance to ordinary viral and bacterial pathogens. But every known subject has either advanced to Stage 5 or died within a redacted number of weeks. Stage 5 is not one symptom set. It depends on species mix, genetics, physiology, environment, and unknown factors, while every known victim remains highly contagious. One reported Stage 5 case occurred in a commuter train car. A woman ruptured into spores and filaments. The affected area was quarantined, euthanized, and incinerated. Another case led investigators to a cave. Inside were pulsating mounds of flesh and vegetative material, some still retaining enough human traits to identify missing citizens. The final implication is simple and unresolved. SCP-129 remains Keter, at large, treated through outbreak response, and capable of turning infection into long-term fungal infrastructure.